His Lordship. His Lordship.
Yes.
Lordship, item number 2 and 3, admission, Lordship. Here there's another analogous matter, 214 of 2025, which was recently filed, Lordship. It has not been taken along, Lordship.
In item 2, probably rejoinder was to file.
No, Lordship, I've raised a preliminary objection regarding the mandatability. Because this is purely a disputed question of facts, Lordship. So, Lordship, if this matter can come up on Thursday, I've taken the consent. Next Thursday, admission hearing, Lordship. And let the item, the WBC number 214 of 2025 be tagged along with this, because similar matter.
214 is also?
It's not listed here.
You Miss?
Sigmo.
Miss?
Sigmo.
Land counsel for the petitioner. Is hard Miss Land counsel for the petitioner and Mr. N. Mozu. Land counsel for the respondent.
Private respondents.
The private respondent. Okay. On the prayer of the parties, let this matters be listed on next Thursday.
Thursday, Lordship.
That is on date?
20.
Okay.
Along with WBC 214.
WPC 214 of 2023?
2025.
2025.
Lordship.
Okay.
For admission
That will
hearing,
be for
Lordship.
admission?
Admission hearing.
Okay, for admission hearing.
Lordship.
Okay.
Oblige, Your Lordship.
May I please, Your Lordship?
Yes.
May I please, Your Lordship? I beg to mention item number 17, Lordship. I'm appearing on standing counsel for respondent number 3, 4, and 5, Lordship. Now, I have received an additional affidavit filed by the petitioner, Lordship. And in response to that, I have to file my additional affidavit. And therefore, if I may be granted 3 weeks' time, Lordship.
Okay, so who is for the petitioner here?
Your Lordship.
You are for that. Okay. Miss Apila Sanktam, Land Council, for the respondent number 3, 4, and 5. Submits that she had recently received an additional affidavit filed by the petitioner, and she needs some time to go through the same and to file additional affidavit if required. Therefore, pray for listing this matter after
3 weeks, Lordship.
3 weeks.
Lordship.
3 weeks. To which Miss.
Okay.
Land Council for the petitioner has no objection. The prayer is allowed. List this matter after 3 weeks. Okay.
Obliged, Lordship.
Please,
Lordship. Lordship, I beg to mention item number 4, behalf of LD Sangdam, additional HA.
Item 4.
Lordship, here it's in waiting, so kindly grant 1 week to file our affidavit.
Who is for the petitioner here? Okay, we'll pass.
With,
we'll grant.
Lordship, with mutual consent. With mutual consent.
Mutual.
Your Lordship.
Okay. Mr. Item 4.
Lordship.
Okay, you are Mr.
Ajungli.
Land Council for the respondent number.
Lordship.
You are for respondent number.
Lordship, I have not got that, but for the whole state.
Oh, sorry, state.
Lordship.
Okay, Land Government Advocate for the state respondents with the consent of the Land Council. Sorry.
No,
You have to file, not yet file affidavit.
Yes, it's in waiting. So 1 week.
Father, how much time?
1 week, Lordship. It's in waiting.
1 week time to file affidavit in opposition. The prayer not been objected is allowed for this matter after a week. Okay.
Similar prayer, Lordship. 5 to 16. 1 week, Lordship. This is also in waiting.
5 to 16.
Lordship. 1 week. It's in waiting. So by 1 week, we'll be filing our affidavit. It's in waiting.
Okay.
5 to 16.
If they are filing the affidavit within 1 week,
Lordship.
that is recorded. If they are filing the affidavit within 1 week, the submission to the letter council, that will be recorded.
Okay. Mr. Government Advocate, appearing on behalf of the state respondent, prays for the 1 week time to file affidavit in
Lordship.
on behalf of the respondent. to which Mr. Limawapang, Learning Council for the petitioner, has no objection. Accordingly, the prayer is allowed. List this matter after a week.
1 week, Lordship.
After a week. Okay.
Similar play, Your Lordship. Item number 20, hearing. Here with mutual consent, let this matter fix on December 4, Lordship. Behalf of Additional AG Imdim Song.
Lordship, I have no objection.
No objection. Okay. Miss
Menoshino.
Lan,
Menoshino on behalf of Elirello.
Learning Council for the petitioner is present. Okay. Mr. His name is also present. On the joint prayer made by both the Learning Council for the parties. List this matter on
4th December.
4th
Yes.
December.
4 December, Lordship.
Okay, 4 December for hearing. Okay.
Lordship, there's an interim.
The interim order passed earlier shall continue till the next date of listing. Okay.
Oblige.
May I please, Lordship, I'd like to mention item number 18.
Item
18. Lordship, 3 weeks time may begin to reply.
That's the only matter, I think. Just wait for some time. We'll grant you. Okay.
For admission, item number 1.
Lordship, on the last occasion, the state respondents, particularly respondent number 2, were directed to place on record the administrative approval. Now they have served a copy to me this morning, Lordship.
Lordship, the government have given an approval. There was like a miscalculation in the fixation of the pay, not from the date of regularization, but in fact, like his salary was downgraded, Your Lordship. Therefore, because of
30
that,
to 25.
yes, Your Lordship.
So that has been rectified.
Yes, the government has given an approval that it should be from the date of regularization.
Yes.
Yes, so
What is your proposal, it appears, is from date of regularization only.
no, Your
Proposed.
Lordship.
The proposal is suggested pay. This is what? New order, government order you have.
Yeah, the government has given an approval, Your Lordship.
Okay. Okay. So that means how long it will take?
No, Your Lordship, but the government has given approval, so automatically it will affect, Your Lordship. There's a nothing on the.
Now, what you annexer? This is affidavit. Yes, affidavit filed by the respondent number 3, page 7, and there is a loose paper also. Probably earlier you have given it, and there is a suggested pay. It shows that the service is salary increase from service regularized in the page 11.4 so and so, 2019.
1/6/2019. Lordship.
1/6/2019.
Yes.
Your Lordship, they came before this court stating that their fixation was not done as per the regularization.
Now, this
Your
is
Lordship.
thereafter only, or
Yes, after that, like we processed the matter.
this process? Okay.
Yeah, we processed the matter. It was
Now,
said,
approval is to this one.
yes.
Okay.
So we sent the approval, we got the instruction from the Treasury, and after that, after getting the necessary information, we sent for approval to the government. And the government has, and this affidavit contains the letter sent to the government for approval.
Okay.
So that was awaited, and therefore
Now
this
it is
honorable
approved.
court, yes, gave a direction that I should bring the status report.
Yes.
So today I am bringing a status report stating that the government has already given an approval.
So what do we do?
But now it's up to
Lordship,
the
Approved.
Lordship,
petitioner.
since now the administrative approval has been done by the commissioner, by the government, now the direction has to flow to the director to expedite
Yes,
fixation,
Your
Lordship. At a specific date, a specific time limit can be granted, Lordship, to
Okay.
complete the process.
So how long it will take?
Your Lordship, if they are not willing to take instruction, Your Lordship, because just now they were saying that they will seek
No,
1
say
week's time to,
since
for
you said that
instruction.
it's already approved.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Now, can it be disposed of with the direction that since it is already approved, will
Yes.
be done within?
Yes,
by
Your Lordship, for
specific-
some specific time, Your Lordship.
Say around,
Now, Your Lordship, Christmas season is also coming, so I don't know.
Lordship,
Say-
the
say
the
to-
petitioner.
Since that instruction, particular instruction was not given me, but otherwise, Your Lordship, on the notings, it has already been processed. And if you can
It has
kindly
been
see on the
already
next-
initiated.
Initiated
So it
and
won't take
roasted.
that long, Lordship. So
However,
1,
Your
2
Lordship,
months will be
2
enough,
months.
Lordship, yes. 1, 2 months
60
will be
days?
enough.
January.
12, 13. Two, 3 days, too much there.
2.5 colons, so that at least first week of. Your Lordship, if the order can be given effect till the first week of February, so that at least,
okay.
yeah, at least they
Lordship,
will
if-
also not take the trouble of coming to court again.
6 months, 6 weeks, my Lord, if that can be done. 6 weeks.
Let it affect first week of February, at least the
February.
time, yeah, at least the first week.
January, that is more, little
Because
more than
in the middle
little
there's a
more than,
holiday.
60 days.
Yes, more than 60 days. So there'll be, the petitioner has also been paid under paid from 2019.
So arrear also probably.
Your Lordship,
It won't take that long.
it will
also
take,
counted.
automatically it might be done before that also, but for, I mean, like, not to have a hustle bustle, Your Lordship. At least, Your Lordship, a time, a good time may be granted, so that like, they will also not come before the court. Because it's more or less like completed only, so.
Okay. Mr. Supu Jamil, Land Counsel for the petitioner. Also had Ms. Livika, Land State Counsel for Land Government Advocates, appearing on behalf of the state respondent, staff of Para. The petitioner filed this writ petition under Article 226 of the Constitution of India, seeking direction to fix his or
Her, Lordship.
her salary in consonant with the regularization order dated 6/6/2019, and to pay the arrears thereon. Stop. Huh? Is Livika, Lanet government advocate for the state respondent, submits by placing the communication dated, the office communication dated 9/10/2028, issued by Additional Secretary to the Government of Nagaland, submits that the grievance of the petitioner has been redressed, and the government has approved the administrative, the government has given an administrative approval for fixation of her pay, a fixation of pay in respect of the petitioner, LDA, upon regularization of her services, pay. Okay, stop. And further submit that for completion, or what do we say?
Lordship, A considerable time may be given because
Okay, and praise for submits that for completion of the process, some more time may be given. Okay? Stop. Huh?
Lordship, this is the letter I received also. So
What is that?
second para, Your Lordship. The administrative approval for fixation of pay has been received. Hence, the concerned section has started initiating the process.
Last, leave the last, huh? Then this is by another communication letter dated 11 November 2025. Issued by ex-officio Director Higher Education Nagaland. Which shows state updated situation. And further said some is that by a letter dated 11/11/2025 issued by ex-officio Director Higher Education Department, it is shows that the administrative approval for fixation of pay has been started initiating the process for necessary process, and therefore she prays that a sufficient time may be granted to the government for completion of the process. Staff. In view of the above, the Learning Council for the petitioner submits that since the respondent authority has already initiated the process, the matter may be closed by giving direction for completion of the process within a specific time.
Yes.
Okay, start. In view of the above, this writ petition is disposed of with the direction to the respondent authority.
Respondent number 2 in particular.
Respondent
number
number
3 in particular, Director.
Respondents, more particularly the respondent number 3,
Yes, Lordship.
to complete the process for fixation of pay of the petitioner within, we'll say,
Lordship,
My prayer is 6 weeks, Lordship. 6 weeks.
6 weeks will be 1 month, 1.5 months.
Yes, Lordship.
So that ends at January.
Your Lordship,
Two months.
Your Lordship, my humble
60
is
days, we'll say 60 days.
Yes.
Okay, within, at the earliest possible date, preferably within 60 days from the date of receipt of this, receipt or certified copy of this order. Okay? With the above, this writ petition stands disposed.
With regard to errors also, if a direction can also.
No,
With
Your
regard to
Lordship,
errors also.
Arrears also?
Yes.
Okay.
much obliged.
Much obliged, Lordship.
In the documents, in the documents, in her submission, the said documents are taken on record and marked as X
My
and
Lord,
Y
just a clarification.
for identification.
Just a clarification. If my Lord has whether inserted the effective date for fixation of pay, 6/6/2019, that.
It is an open declaration.
Obliged, Lordship.
For iteration, item number 18.
May please, Lordship, 3 weeks time may be given to file my affidavit in reply.
Okay. Mr.
Nang sangaya. Nang sangaya.
Samaria, which one? Your name is there?
Yes, Lordship.
Land Council for the petitioner. prays for how much time?
3 weeks.
Further 3 weeks time to file affidavit in reply to the affidavit filed by the state respondent. The prayer is allowed. This is matter after 3 weeks stuff. And then Mr. Okay, Line Government Advocate. Government senior.
No, no,
Okay,
junior.
Government Advocate. Is also present on behalf of the state respondent. Okay.
Give me a pleasure.
For admission, item number 19.
May I please, Your Lordship?
Yes.
Lordship, here I'm yet to receive instructions, so kindly grant 3 weeks of time to file my affidavit.
Okay.
No objection, Your Lordship.
Miss Sen.
Yuka Kokla for the petitioner.
Your name is there?
No, Your Lordship.
Okay, Line Council for the petitioner is present. Stafa. And Mr.
Behalf of Mosul.
Line Government Advocate for the state respondent prays for submits that he is yet to receive instruction to file affidavit and prays for how much time?
3 weeks, Lordship.
Other 3 weeks times. Time. The prayer having not been objected to is allowed. Stop. This is matter after 3 weeks. Okay. The state respondent is granted for the 3 weeks time to file the instruction and to file affidavit. Okay. This is matter after 3 weeks. Okay. Just a minute. Where is it was been adjourned. There was one matter. We are in item 19. Okay. Finish. Okay. There was some matter to be disposed of and taken adjournment.
Like,
I didn't realize that.